I will say, remember this balcony, an extraordinary documentation of a common voyage, a simple edification in the precise time of Stone Age, the fog of sleepy soldiers dreaming wars, the fumes of contemplating cigars and an addiction for violence in Mars, dragging the behaviors of secret societies in never-landed moons filmed in my backyard. In a debate with my fatigue, it seems to convince me as I slow down my walk. Then I discover another day to run, another word to talk. I just never quit. Because nothing hurts beyond death. I own this planet because I own my breath. Page after page, bordering lips with a fantastic sage. I am a nameless animal with the capacity to accept this stage. And when our world finishes dying, I will demand to live again. Because either way they name themselves of their favorite fears in vain. Because flying is a behavior of astral adventures. Because appreciation is the vehicle of who find an inner fortune. Because silence is the gift of who answer his own doubts. Because faith is the identity of who moves in the invisible miracle of God's ground. The coins on earth had lost count, 1,000 demons for each account. Endless blessings for the ones who have no shame of their secrets in their vault. We came back from this mesmerized agony, and we realized we never left this balcony. It was a mirage of being alive in a galaxy of your mind.